Let's install the MetaMask crypto wallet on a laptop or desktop using an internet browser. Open your internet browser and go to the metamask.io website. Click the Get MetaMask button. If you're using the Google Chrome browser, click the Add to Chrome button. MetaMask will install as an extension in your browser. For convenience, let's pin MetaMask to the navigation bar. Now we will set it up. Accept the terms of use. Click Create a new wallet. Next, click the Continue with Secret Recovery Phrase button. Set up a password. Remember, if you forget your password, no one can help you recover it. If you lose both your password and your secret recovery phrase, you will lose all the assets in your wallet. Click Get Started. Next, tap to reveal the secret recovery phrase. Make sure no one is watching. Anyone with access to your secret recovery phrase can access your wallet. For this demo, I'm copying it, but never keep a copy of your secret recovery phrase on your computer. Write it down on paper and store it in a secure location. After you confirm your secret recovery phrase, your wallet is ready. Now you are ready to pre-register with Akemona to receive your AKENRO token airdrop. Go to https://akemona.com/pre-register. Enter your email address and verify it by entering the code you receive in your email. Next, click Connect MetaMask and connect your MetaMask wallet to the Akemona website. Finally, sign the message. You are now pre-registered. Log out and wait for our email with details about the AKENRO token airdrop. Thank you for watching.